Hi friends, we are continuing to work with process design instruction template in process delivery roadmap in BluePrism RPA. And any process, if you remember the process studio, the main page is like a default page where we can't delete it, we can't edit it, and we can modify it. And in main page we will start BP travel. The process shall build using the basic BluePrism a process template, and the first one is in the main page we will start a BP travel. The BP travel access credentials will be stored in the BluePrism credentials store, and the process will launch a BP travel and log into application. And here you can see launch. These are the actions, basic actions, the first one is launch, and the second one is login, and the next one is the next item. So get next item or got an item. The next item from the queue request queue will be extracted, and the return item ID will be interrogated to determine if an item has been returned. And the navigate to create queue. The process will call the navigate to create a code page by selecting create code on the left a menu panel on menu panel of BP travel. The object is a basic actions, and the action is a left menu, and next one create code. This process will update the create code page as per the process definition document. The object action is BP travel codes, and the action is a create code. And if the code is successfully created, the code number and price are to be captured in the item data and the case updated in the queue. And next one is we will email to customer. If a code successfully been created, the process will email the customer using the format and detail specified in the process definition document. And the object is email SMTP pop3 underscore SMTP, and the action is a send message. And the next one is mark completed. So successfully completed cases will be marked as a completed in the BluePrism work queue, and the mark exception. Any cases that could not be worked will be marked as an exception in the BluePrism work queue. A standard BluePrism process template is used, and the process will fail if 3 consecutive identical system exceptions occurs. And then we'll create an exception report. The exception report will run at the end of each process runs to ensure that each exception case is only reported once. A tag of reported will be applied the following creation of the report. So to create a report, so we'll request all exception items from the queue that are not tagged reported. The created report using the standard BP travel create report create a report process. The tag for each case is reported, and the report will use MS Excel VBO to create an Excel file. The exception structure will mirror the fields of the original codes file plus fields item for item key, time loaded to queue, exception item, and exception reason, and it will be saved to the folder specified in the environment variables. So with the file name as create codes exception report, and then close BP travel. At stop time, or if there is no more work, the BP travel applications will be logged out, and then will close down. So the actions are the object is basic actions, and the action is left menu, and the basic actions are terminate, and then we'll create management information report. And the report will be created using standard BP travel. So by creating create report process, the start date time for the report will be in today, from 7 days, and the end date time for the report will be now. And the report will be used MS Excel VBO to create an MS Excel Excel file, and the file saved to the folder specified in the environment variables with the name of create codes MI report, a year, month, date, and hours, minutes, and seconds. And the report will be an Excel XML file, and will contain the following data item key and loaded, work time, request received, quote number, and then price, and completed. And next one a purge data, aged work queue data to be purged in a line with create codes queue data lifespan environment variable, and aged input files are to be purged in line with the create codes input file lifespan environment variable. The next one is a populated queue. The Microsoft Excel report containing a list of work requests for this process will be collected from an agreed network folder. The purpose will be designed to support multiple reports at the same time. A collection will be made of all files in the folder. Each file will be worked in turn, and for each code a check will be made to see if the case exists in the create codes work queue. It will perform this check using like item key, and the case will not be added if it is like already exists. And once processed, the file will be saved to the archive folder specified like environment variables like utility like a file management means like get files and move files, and then other one like another so business object like MS Excel VBO like various actions. So we'll do like various actions in MS Excel VBO. In the next video we are going to see like the data. So regarding the data in application. Thank you for watching. Please stay with us.